Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on my platform, you're most welcome. Today guys, I want to share with you how you can make aloe vera ice tubes. If you're there and you're looking for something to tighten your skin, something which can moisturize your skin, something which can help you to slow down the signs of aging, just keep watching. I'm gonna share with you how you can make that happen. So guys, here I have my aloe vera. Make sure that you wash your aloe vera. So I'm gonna peel off the skin and then I'll blend it. Make sure you cut this side off. I have my blender here. Then I'm gonna add some lemon juice. So now I'm gonna blend. So guys, I have my blended aloe vera here, and then I have my ice tube tray. So I'm gonna transfer the aloe vera into the ice tube tray. Then I'm gonna freeze for about 4 to 5 hours. So guys, my ice tubes are ready, as you can see. So what you have to do, you grab one ice tube and you massage it all over your entire skin. And if you have pimples, like here, I have one pimple here, you can press the ice tube on the pimple and you leave it for 30 seconds or some few seconds, and then you remove it. These ice tubes are good to clear dark spots, acne, pimples. They are good to tighten your pores and unclog your pores. And they are also good to moisturize your skin. You can keep these ice tubes in freezer for about 1 week. So if you want, you can leave it overnight. Like right now it's my bedtime, so I'm gonna leave it and then I'll rinse it tomorrow. If you don't want to leave it, after 30 minutes you can wash it off. So that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please share with your friends and comment to tell me what you think. Alright, see you in my next video. Bye bye.